how are you? I hope that you are wonderful. Today is a bright sunny day. But before we get into this lesson, let's sing our warm-up song together. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you today? Are you happy? Are you angry? Are you sad?
Okay, great job everyone. That was wonderful. Now what are we learning about today? Today we're learning about things that we like to do. But before we do that, let's sing our song about days of the week. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. What day is it? Is it Monday? Is it Tuesday? Is it Wednesday? Is it Thursday? Is it Friday? Is it Saturday? Is it Sunday? We have 7 days in a week. Great job, everyone! Perfect. That was great. Now, what do you like to do? Here are things that some of us like to do. Some of us like to play with a ball. Some of us like to dance. Some of us like to play with our friends. Some of us like to sing. Some of us like to build with blocks. These are all things that we like to do. These things make us happy. They make us happy. Things that we do that make us sad are not things that we like to do. But sometimes we have to do things that make us sad. Talk about animals. We're going to talk about farm animals. What animal makes the sound moo, gives us milk, is really big, black and white? Great job! It's a cow. What animal is really big, short and pink with a cute snout? That would be a pig. What animal is large? It's got a very beautiful tail and it's got a very beautiful mane. That is a horse. These are all animals that we can find on a farm. Farm animals are animals that can be kept as pets in a farm or they are used for farming. Cows give us milk. Did you know that? Great job. That's beautiful. Now, how do we say the letter C? How do we say the letter C? There are 26 letters of the alphabet. What are they? They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Those are our 26 letters of the alphabet. Letter C is number 3. Letter C is the third letter of the alphabet. We say letter C like this. K, K. C, K, cat. Did you know that a cat is also a farm animal? C, K, cat. K, K, cat. Until next time, goodbye everyone.